What's up, graphics designers? What's up, creatives? So, welcome to Wrapped Creative Academy. Today, I want us to look at the principles of design. So, principles of design are basically the fundamental guidelines that help artists and designers to create visually appealing and effective compositions. These principles work together to organize elements in a way that communicates a clear message or evokes a desired emotion. So before we look at the principles, if you are new to this channel, you should consider subscribing and share these videos so that we grow our audience. Thank you. So principle number 1, balance. So balance distributes visual weight evenly to create stability, creates a sense of order, and prevents the design from feeling chaotic and overwhelming. We basically have 3 types of balance. One is symmetrical balance, which is mirror-like equality on both sides. Then we have asymmetrical balance with different elements balanced through contrast. That is to say, balance through size or balance through color. Then we have radial balance, with these elements radiate from a central point. The second one is contrast. Contrast helps to prioritize elements, guiding the viewer's attention to the most important parts of the design, for example, the headlines and the call to action buttons. Strong contrast between text and background improves readability. Emphasis. Emphasis helps to organize content by importance, making designs easier to navigate. Emphasis helps users to process information in a logical sequence. It can be achieved through color, size, placement, or contrast. Movement. Movement in design refers to the visual flow or sense of motion created within a composition. So it guides the viewer's eye through the design, enhancing engagement and storytelling. It creates dynamism and energy, making static designs feel lively. Movement prevents compositions from appearing flat or monotonous. Number 5, we have patterns and repetition. So a pattern is repeating decorative elements. We've commonly seen this principle being used on brands like Gucci, LV, and so many other brands on their product design, like bags. Proportion and scale. This relates to the size and ratio of elements within a composition. Proportion is basically how parts relate to the whole. So, proportion and scale enhance functionality and usability, looking at chair designs and dimensions, considering functionality and comfort. In UI and UX design, properly proportioned buttons and layouts improve user interaction. Unity and harmony. Harmonious color palettes, shapes, and textures can create a calming, pleasing, or exciting mood. Harmonious design maintains a consistent style, improving user experience, especially in UI and UX design. Variety. Variety breaks monotony, making designs more engaging and dynamic. Diverse design approaches allow for better solutions to different challenges. For example, minimalist for clarity, then maximalist for impact. Alignment. Alignment helps to arrange elements in an orderly way. For example, grids and margins. It creates a clean and professional look. And finally, hierarchy. Hierarchy helps in effective communication. It directs attention to critical messages. For example, warning signs in red, then primary actions in bold. It supports storytelling by controlling the flow of information. Examples of hierarchy in design, we have typography, larger fonts for titles, bright colors for important buttons, then spacing, white space around key elements. So these principles are essential in graphics design, art, architecture, UI, UX design, fashion design, and more. Mastering them helps to create visually compelling and functional designs. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you don't have to miss the new uploads. Thank you so much. See you.